how to enable or disable show app and apps content in search on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Search. Next, go down and tap on one of the apps that you want to make the change. So for example, Calendar. In here, you can choose whether to allow the app to be searchable. So tap on the toggle on the Show App in Search toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn this on, you can also choose whether you want to allow or don't allow the content to be searchable. So here, if I want it to be searchable, then I can turn it on so that when you perform a search, it can search for the app name as well as the content within the app. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.